Hello, welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we are going to talk about teacher job. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What does a teacher do?
A teacher teaches students many subjects and help them learn new things every day.
Do you have a favorite teacher? Why do you like him or her?
Yes, I have a favorite teacher. She is very kind and explains the lesson clearly.
What subject does your teacher teach?
My teacher teaches English and sometimes science.
What do you see in your classroom?
In my classroom, I see a whiteboard, desk, chair, a computer, and some poster on the wall.
How do teacher help students?
Teacher help students by explaining the lesson, giving homework, and correcting mistakes.
What time does your teacher start the class?
My teacher start the class at 7:30 in the morning.
What does your teacher use to teach in the class?
My teacher use a whiteboard, a textbook, flashcard, and sometimes a projector.
What do you like the most about your teacher job?
I like that teachers help students grow and become smarter.
Do you want to be a teacher in the future? Why or why not?
Yes, I want to be a teacher because I like helping children learn.
What are some good qualities of a teacher?
A good teacher is patient, friendly, smarter, and love to teach.
Thank you for your answering the questions. Good job. That is the end of your speaking test. Have a great day.